Hey everyone, I'm Arjun from MirraViz.
Hello, this is Ian.
And today we're going to be walking through an installation, a demonstration, and an in-depth review of our latest projector screen and our laser projector. So here we have our latest ultra bright projector screen, and it's currently rolled up. So this screen is able to roll up sort of like a giant poster, and then you unroll it and you install it on your wall. So here behind us, we've already set up the magnetic pieces here on the wall. Right now our configuration is 4 large black magnetic strips, but what we're currently selling is an 8-piece. So these panels will just be split into 2, so it's easier for you to install.
Yeah.
So there's a few instructional graphics here which come with your screen and projector, which are going to help you to set it up in your own home. And it's a super straightforward process to put these magnets on. They use a simple non-marking adhesive, so they're not going to leave marks on your wall, and it's kind of just like putting command strips on your wall.
Yeah.
So now we're going to unroll the screen and put it on top of the magnets, and then we're going to adjust it and start watching some cool videos. So we start with the top of the screen, and we want to get the top to fit. So we place the top on sort of first.
Good.
Yours good?
Yeah.
I just gotta come over a little bit. A little more.
Good.
Yep.
Okay. And then smooth the surface a little bit. Make sure there's no big air bubble.
Yep. So we're wearing gloves, which is important if you want to touch the screen.
Yeah.
And we're just smoothing it out so that there's no air bubbles or any inconsistencies, and so that it's sitting perfectly flat up against the wall. So the way that my side is mounted, there's a little bit of black space here, and mine is a little bit over the border. Okay, so now that we got the screen mounted and we have the projector on, it's time to do some keystone correction, as I was just mentioning. So with this laser projector, I'm gonna go into the settings, I'm gonna go into projector, and then I'm gonna go to keystone correction. Now, when we mounted the screen, there can be some inconsistencies. Sometimes one side can be a few millimeters higher than the other, or one corner can be a little bit lower. And that's why you get things like this, where there's a difference between the edge of the picture and the edge of the screen. Same thing up here. The picture is not fully stretching to the extent of the screen. So keystone correction is going to allow us to correct that. So I selected this corner of the screen, and I'm going to expand it to the left and push it up. Same thing with the middle of the screen. I'm just going to bring it out so it fills up the border of the screen. And same thing on that corner over there. I'm just adjusting it so the picture from the projector fills the entire frame of the screen as it's supposed to. So it's super quick, it's super simple. It only takes you about a minute to correct it, and then we can go and watch some movies, TV, sports, whatever you enjoy. So I'm going to show some demo footage, some demo pictures that are really going to highlight the quality, the brightness, and the high definition resolution of the picture from our screen. So this laser projector is 4K UHD, and all of the images that I'm going to be showing are 4K images. So this is the exact type of quality that you'll be able to expect when you're watching footage or movies in extremely high resolution. Here's some footage of the laser projector itself. Just doing a quick walk around of the projector, showing you the rear ports and connection capabilities that it has. Now from this angle of the screen, you should be able to get a good idea of the view window, as well as the brightness and color saturation that you can expect from the rollable screen. And again, this is our most recent model, and it's less than 1/16 of an inch thick, so it sits up on your wall as if it's almost a wallpaper. So as you're watching this, take note of the color depth and color saturation that you can see, especially in the blue, green, and red type of color ranges. And that's really a function of the technology that is sitting inside of this screen. It takes in the laser light from this projector and it's multiplying it, and it's manipulating the light to really increase the depth and the brightness and the color levels that are coming from these lasers. And this video is being shot on an iPhone 11, so the quality, the picture quality, the viewing experience that you're going to get from this screen and from our projector, or if you already own an ultra short throw laser projector, the picture quality is going to be amazing, and the quality of this video may be very good, but it may also not be doing it 100% justice. Another thing to note, and that I personally want to let you know about before you purchase this screen, is that in our current iteration, there are a few tile-to-tile inconsistencies within the screen itself. So on some of the brighter, more white-colored images that I'm showing on the screen, you may be able to notice extremely thin hairline sort of markings on the screen. And that's a function of our manufacturing process. So this screen is composed of a number of different tiles that are brought together. There can sometimes be extremely thin markings between the tiles. It's not going to detract from your viewing experience at all, and it's extremely hard to take note of them in most of the footage that you're watching. Okay, enough demo footage. Now I'm going to give you guys a little tutorial and a little bit more information about the laser projector and the Android TV sort of setup that comes with that if you do choose to purchase the laser projector from us, as well as the screen. Now, if you already own an ultra short throw laser projector and you're just purchasing our screen, this part may not be as useful to you. But most of these high quality ultra short throw laser projectors have Android TV, and they're all pretty similar. So there's thousands and thousands of apps that you can get through Android TV. So on this particular model, we have Disney Plus, HBO Max, YouTube, ESPN, you name it, Android TV has probably got it in their library. So everything loads up pretty quickly. I just had YouTube open, so that's why it refreshed so fast. But all of the apps load very quickly, and you navigate using this remote right here. You have Google Assistant, so you can give the TV voice commands through the remote. And it's super easy to navigate. It's super easy to type things because you can just speak it into the remote. Now, there's two big topics that are on everyone's minds when they're looking at a projector system, or a TV replacement in general. And those two are ambient lighting and ambient light resistance, and also gain or real gain. So ambient lighting and gain are the two big topics that people think about and have questions on when they're looking at systems and screens like this. So the screen behind me is our newest 105-inch rollable super bright screen. And this screen has a real gain of 2.05, and it has ambient light resistance of 40%. So currently, I'm in a typical office environment. There are 4 fluorescent lights above me, and to my right, the entire wall is essentially covered in windows, and the blinds are open right now, so there's ambient light streaming in, and you can see the vibrance and the brightness of the picture on the screen right here. That's a function of both the ambient light resistance and the real gain that our technology is able to provide. So the ambient light resistance is making it so that light that's coming in from above and from the sides is hitting the screen, but it's not causing the colors to wash out because the screen's technology is resisting the ambient light. And the real gain technology and the increase in real gain that you're seeing is seen in the brightness of the screen. So the colors are extremely vibrant. The color saturation is there at a level that you would not get anywhere close to with just a normal white screen. And I'll show you guys that with a piece of white paper that I have here. I'll just put that up on the screen. And you can see the difference in the color just below the paper and on the paper itself. The screen is really making a massive difference in the picture quality that you're getting from this projector. So here we just have a normal piece of white paper, and this is representative of what you would get from a normal projector screen, the type that are in classrooms and movie theaters all across the country. So you can clearly see the difference in brightness between the normal light screen and our screen. Our technology enables us to take the light from the projector and significantly increase the brightness and color depth that you're getting from the laser picture. So if you guys have any questions about the technology, about this setup itself, or questions about if you have an existing projector, would that work with our screen? Check out our website, it's MirraViz.com. Link will be in the description of this video. You can give us a call, you can email us, you can come into our showroom to check it out in person if you're in California. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you in the next one.